Holy shit. It's fucking raining. It's raining outside, guys. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. I was on my bike today and I heard a thunderstorm. I'm not going outside right now because look at it. My bike is soaking wet. I'm not going outside. I want to go outside on my bike, but it's raining outside? Hell no. Also, guys, I'm gonna download Resident Evil Village today. Friday, it will be done downloading probably. I don't know. But we'll get it though. We're gonna download my game. But guys, seriously though, please subscribe to the channel. Peace out, buddy. Goodbye.